Yeah, it's okay, man. The friend of FBI, do you have question?
Friend of FBI.
Yeah.
So please explain about the social media is social media and also the gadgets, smartphone or tablets are the outpost or host of the host of Shaitan.
Allah,
Also,
Shaitan.
social media also have the outpost sebagai pos setan. Sosial media adalah pos setan.
Postingan, tampilan, tampil,
posko.
Pose, yeah. Postco. Yeah, what do you think about
tempat
that?
setan.
And also social
The
media.
best game of Shaitan or
Best
devil.
game.
Best game of devil.
Also, and
Totally devil.
Please explain about the social media is the weapon of the
Best game.
Antichrist.
Alright. Totally very awesome. Awesome vocabulary in my mind for today, guys, man. Can't believe that. Right, okay, explain that, Mr. Muntada.
Social media and gadget as the post.